All right, over here by the Garden Island Laundromat, in front of the former Mimi's Dragonfly Boutique. Been around a long time. Love this old sun-bleached, sun-faded sign here. But they're not closing, they are actually just moving. 18 Main Street, Lisbon Falls. Nice space, hardwood floors, decent size lot in there. Yeah, it looks nice. So yeah, Lisbon Falls. Guess if you want to go back. Yeah, they were here quite a while. These little strip malls. This is my Thai table here. Right next door to it is Garden Island Laundromat. So this is a mini mall, a micro mall. Anyways, yeah, just thought I'd get some video of it. Always sad to see business leave Bath, especially one like this. It's been a while. All right, that's it. See y'all later.